This is weird. I just seen the screen scroll over. Yep, look. You can see it doing it. But I think when I'm looking at it, not through the camera, I don't see it. So, we got some power to it. Heard a couple relays click. And this one already had the pins on the display. So, I will guess that we're probably okay here on this part. So, I don't know what in the hell they had going on with the switch. And a few other things. But I'll have to get it all set up. And it's going to take me quite a bit longer just because of the lack of instructions. But I got it this far, and it's no smoke coming out of it. So I think we're good. Yeah, you have to kind of guess what screws are going where on this stuff and that stuff, and then like which way does this board go on here. I was looking at this earlier, and I was like, okay, does the board go here because it doesn't really sit on there evenly? Which way did they intend these washers to be? And they don't even show this board on anything else, so I guess the good thing about the board is that I should only need to run the 2 wires off of here, and then so I should be doing 4 wires, even though normally it'd be 6. So yeah, I don't know, we'll get it figured out. So this will sit through here like that. All right, I'm going to bed. I'm done.